What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video, just like the thumbnail suggested, I am actually down today alone in the market $8,000, $8,273 to be precise. For the week, I'm down $14,000, and for the month, I'm down $26,000. But the purpose is to let you know that I'm down but not out. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey. And on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show and document my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so when it comes to investing in the stock market, it can be quite tricky, and today was exactly that. Today was a very painful day for me. My portfolio there's quite a bit of money in my portfolio, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch on the Robinhood app right now, and of course unlock it. There we go. And so as you guys can see right now on the screen, it says that I'm investing $167,000, and you can see it right there. Today I am down $8,273.12. And so today has not been good. As a matter of fact, this week wasn't good, and the past month hasn't been good either. So I'm currently down, but I'm not out. And the reason why I'm not out is because I feel like I have invested in some solid companies. The reason why I'm currently down this much this week, this day, this month, is because I have a lot of shares with Apple and Tesla, and so they've been kind of going down. So I'm going to show you guys here on the screen. As you can see in the middle of the screen on the phone, you see it says 1D for 1 day. So currently, once again, I'm down $8,000 today. If I touch on 1W, which is 1 week, you see that I'm down. Well, now it changed since I made the thumbnail, and since I made the thumbnail, it has changed. So I'm currently down $13,578 for the week. And if I touch on 1M, I'm currently down $25,844. Now that's actually interesting because since I made the thumbnail, literally it's changed since then. This is after hours. But for the 3-month mark, I'm still up $13,000, which at one point was $27,000 clearly. For the year, I'm still down. I'm down $22,000 for the year. And then, of course, all time, which doesn't really count because I started investing with Robinhood back in like 2016, and then I stopped maybe middle 2017. But I'll show you guys all time. All time, I'm down $26,000. Now, this is not very encouraging, but it's me being transparent. To be honest with you, at one point I was down $59,000 right here. You guys can see $59,222 on October 30th, 2020. That was very painful. Once again, I'm down, but I'm not out because I have investments with solid companies. I am 100% confident that Apple will recover. I say recover, but they're going to exceed the price that I have right now for my average share cost. I'll go ahead and show you guys that real quickly. So at the bottom of the screen right here, you guys see Apple and you see Tesla. You see that I have 562 shares. I'll touch on Apple just to show you guys and to be transparent. So today alone, Apple went down $4. That is a lot. That's a lot for Apple. Currently, my average cost per share is $124.21. So I am down. But that's okay. If I had some money laying around, I would pick up some more shares. Maybe not right now, but if the stock continued to go down, today's Thursday, so let's say the stock continued to go down like Monday of the next week, and if I had some money laying around, I would definitely grab some more shares of Apple because this is a solid company, and I'm certain that this will go above my average cost per share. The next one is Tesla. So Tesla has been taking a dive. If I touch on the 1 week marker, in the past week, Tesla has gone down $126. Youch. The 1 month, Tesla has gone down $223. Of course, the past 3 months, I think it's going to go up. Yeah, so the past 3 months, it's gone up $86. But the last month, the $223 Hertz, and my average cost for Tesla is $493.39. So once again, I am holding these particular stocks, especially Apple, for the long haul. The other stocks that I have in my portfolio are dividend paying stocks, and believe it or not, I am up on every single stock other than Apple and Tesla right now, and I'll show you guys. So these are stocks that I own right here, as you guys can see, and if I scroll down, and here's my watch list. Just take a look at all the red on the watch list, as you guys can see here, going down. Look at this. I'm going to show you guys this. This is kind of crazy. KOS, which is Cosmos Energy. I had a lot of shares of this one, and I sold it recently. I'll show you guys so you guys can feel my pain. So right here on December the, let's go with December the 7th. I'll click on that. You guys can see at the bottom of the screen. Well, that was an order to fill. No, yeah, I think it was ordered to sell, right? Okay, let's go back. So I had 2,200 shares. 2,200 shares, and it was at $2.23. Okay, now it's at $3.17 now. The one above that, I had 2,700 shares for $2.22. Once again, it is currently up. So don't cry for me, Argentina, but I just want to show you guys that. So once again, there's a lot of red today in the market, as you guys can see. This is stuff that's on my watch list. Macy's is in the green. This is a very sad song. I'm gonna show you guys this. It's super duper sad. I had a butt ton of Macy's. Look at this. The August 7th, right? You see that I sold on August 7th, $19,000. I had 3,000 shares on August 7th at the bottom of the screen. 3,000 shares. I sold 3,000 shares, and it was $6.60. Okay, now Macy's is $15.38, and I had 3,000 shares. Let's say I had 3,000 shares at $6, and let's say it went up to $12. That's a $6 difference. $6 times 3,000 shares would be $18,000. I would be plus $18,000, but your boy sold it. So anyway, I just want to be transparent with you guys and kind of show you guys what's going on. Once again, I'm down but not out. Initially, I was trying to do a live stream for this video, but it didn't quite work out that way, and that's absolutely okay. Once again, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Also, thumbs up this video. It helps the channel tremendously, and that's going to be pretty much it for this one. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.